Welcome to my channel Image and Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. Also, on this channel I will post small education videos of various areas helping you opening, learning something new to use in the work or hobby. Important to know creation some footage as may requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their research. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within co-op menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button present. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section.